안녕하세요. My name is Bithiah. I'm a Year 3 chemistry student minoring in Korean. Today, I'm going to share 3 Korean expressions you can quickly learn and use, especially when you travel in Korea. Let's get started! The first one is 짱! 짱! It simply means cool or awesome, like when you want to respond to a friend who finally got tickets to see their favorite Korean star, or has successfully enrolled on the LC Korean course. Let's say it again. 짱! The second one is 화이팅! 화이팅! The literal translation is fighting in English. In Korean, it means to encourage someone. It's often used when Koreans want to give someone an extra boost, just like how we say go for it in English. Once again, this is 화이팅! The last one today is 오빠. 오빠. It means older brother when used by females speaking to older males. Although it's used in a romantic context in K-dramas, it can also be used neutrally in many contexts. It all depends on the tone. For example, Year 1 female student referring to a Year 3 male student, or a younger sister referring to an older brother in the family. Let's say it again, and you should know it. 오빠. That's all for today. If you want to know more about Korean language and its culture, try our Korean courses offered by the Language Center. Our Korean instructors will teach you everything from the basics to advanced. Spaces are limited, so do enroll early. Let's discover a new world with CityU. See you next time. 또 만나요.